Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is Becky Dixon. Well, I wanted to get on here to talk about congregation and hashtags. So when you hear the word congregation, what do you usually think? What pops in your mind? Come on, let me know. What pops in your mind? Well, usually what pops in a lot of people's mind, the first thing that pops in that they think of, that they say is what? Church. Well, I'm not on here to talk about church or try to tell you to sell anything to church. What I am going to talk about is when you are on Facebook. Now, before the internet came along, let's say you were in school and you remember how there was what we called the different groups, different cliques, right? Different groups. You had like all the people that were in sports were over here, you know, like your football players and basketball players and all of that. The guys are over here, and you had the girls that when they were in, you know, sports, you know, basketball and volleyball and track, they're over here. And then you had those, you know, the chess club, they were over here. And you had the yearbook staff people, they were over here. And I mean, we had groups. We called them cliques. Well, if you think about that, that's called congregation. They're all, you know, they're all together because those are people that have similar things that they like. And that's what they're talking about. So on Facebook, now what the internet has given us a chance to do is a powerful tool for your business. And it allows you to reach a large number of people instead of back before the internet came out, and it would be hard for you to find, you know, people that you are targeting that were in certain groups that like the similar things. You know, like 5 or 6 here, 7 or 8 here, 9 or 10 over here, and then that required you to spend a lot of money just to grow your business. Now that the internet is here, you're able to grow your business a lot easier by targeting and finding the groups where these people will congregate, because those people already in that group already have the same similarities. They like the same things. When you put your ad out there, you're attracting them to your ad because it is specifically talking to them. So make sure your ad is actually talking to the group of people that you are targeting. You don't want to, you know, send an ad in there, you know, talking about something that's completely different that, you know, that nobody's gonna, okay, they're just gonna scroll by it. They're not gonna either listen to your video or read what you have to say, maybe the first couple of lines, and then figure out that, why is this in our group? This has nothing to do with us. Just like, let's say, okay, I do pageants. That's one of my hobby things. Well, I'm in pageant groups. Well, if I'm in pageant groups, well, what comes across feed is people reselling interview outfits, reselling swimsuit outfits, reselling pageant shoes, reselling pageant gowns. Well, that's because we're all interested in the same thing. Now, if somebody has in there, let's say they come along and they have a, you know, like we have, you know, business stuff also for services, for coaching, but it's for pageantry. But if you have coaching, let's say for, you know, how to market something, well, in a pageant group, we're not interested about marketing anything. I mean, we're not interested in marketing stuff. So again, make sure that you look for the groups of where people hang out, which is a congregation. Another thing that I do is, let's say on hashtag on Instagram, I personally use hashtags a lot. You know, why I use my hashtags a lot is when I post my picture on there or my little video clip, I will put hashtags pertaining to that picture or the post, the video clip, because it will then automatically go to those groups where bunches and bunches of people see that. They really do. They see your picture, they see the post, whatever you've posted. They will click on your name and go to your profile, and they will check everything out on your profile. So on IG, make sure that you set up your profile like a magazine. Like if you got a magazine in your mailbox and you're looking through it, those are nice pictures. That's what people want to look at, that interests them. You know, so that's how the IG is working right now. So you have your profile page set up like a magazine. I have 4 different things, but I have them in, in a certain order of when I post to keep my traffic, my interested people coming to my profile. Now with the Facebook, I use the hashtags on Facebook also, and with Facebook it's a little different, which Facebook, this is one of the things that Facebook has allowed us to do. When you go up to the top in your search bar, let's say you posted something and it's about dogs. You've made either a picture of like a certain dog that you have, or that you train dogs or something like that, right? So when you put at the top, hashtag bloodhounds, and it's going to come up with a group of people first that are actually in a group of, bloodhound owners. And then you're going to have your friends that are on your page that are also in, that says something with bloodhounds. They posted something, they put hashtag bloodhounds. You'll see that. Underneath that, then you will see where other people, many people, have also made a post and put hashtag bloodhounds. So that's a way to also increase your traffic to your Facebook site, because they will, see that it has your name up there, your little ID picture. They will go to your page and check it out, see what you got on there, because if you have something hashtag bloodhound, they want to know, okay, do you have something else that might be on your page that pertains to bloodhounds too, because I'm interested. So thank you for listening today. I will be on again for another live for you, give you more information. I hope this is valuable for you. If you can, just press that little bell down there at the bottom and subscribe to me. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. This is Check with Becky Dixon, and I will see you later. Bye.